Hello friends, Running Kimono here. Okay, so in today's video, this is a bit different. We are talking about gift sets at 50% off. And right after Christmas, that's when they go. And we're talking about the biggest store in the US, that is Walmart. And just to get you guys organized for this, I want to wish all of my subscribers a very Merry Christmas if you celebrate. And if you are obsessed with saving money and you want the gift sets, because I know everybody does, this is the video for you. So please like and hype it. And Merry Christmas, guys. I'm going to keep this really quick. So at Walmart, I don't know what it is. Every store, these gift sets are flying off the shelf. Is this the popular? Is this the cool thing? I do not know. But a lot of us couponers want the coupons inside of these gift sets. So when they get down to $5, even if you're paying that $5, the coupons inside that you can use up to March or next October, well, it kind of pays for it if you think about it. So they're either going to be staged at the front of the store, or alternatively they will be in their own section where they are, or a lot of them will just be forgotten on end caps as well. Definitely get your ducks in a row. A lot of us will use a Fetch Rewards gift card or IBOTTA, depending how much your account has. The more rebates you do, the more money that you have, and usually using one of these gift cards to Walmart, it's a way to kind of offset the cost. I think it's super smart. Or you might have some Christmas money tucked away. I don't know. But anyway, you slice the pie. We love getting these gift sets. So as I was saying, it's either going to be staged at the front or on these side caps. First thing in the morning, especially if you go at 6 a.m., some of the employees might be still moving stuff around. Look for these displays in the center as well. Some stores might have a wall at the back, or towards that shampoo aisle, they'll have them, staged. So when I'm saying end cap, side cap, $7.55, start memorizing the prices as well. And if there might be a rebate on IBOTTA or Fetch for some of these and it's still active, make sure that you max out. You might be getting some gift sets completely for free. Sometimes they pull them back, though, the day after Christmas, the 26th. So, but a lot of these you might get really, really on the cheap at 50% off and with a little rebate. But those rebates might be gone. The second I figure out what the rebates are, I will share with you guys, probably on Instagram. Or I'll make another video on Friday talking about that. I know a lot of you love the gift sets. One thing I do want to point out is that many of these gift sets have coupons inside, and many of you might be tempted to utilize the coupons when you're buying the product. Sometimes one coupon will scan on the product. I've seen in the past a lot of people get in tons of trouble, or even the employees will refuse. The manager comes over. It's embarrassing. I recommend not to do that, like breaking open the set and trying to scan it then. And often the coupons don't really align perfectly with the product. It's not off of a gift set. It's off of one item. Just to save you guys a little bit of trouble, I certainly wouldn't do that. Maybe I'm just square. Just went on my Fetch Rewards account, and there's still 2,000 points back when you buy $10 of Soft Sober Irish Spring with a limit of up to 3 times. And the expiry of this promotion is on the 31st of January. So yeah, and these have the really nice coupons as well. So they'll be $5 a pop. I mean, that's the way to do it, I think. And it's not only the gift sets. If you're into other things such as like spa stuff, I'm pretty sure this will still be around when it hits 75%. But those gift sets, take a drink every time I say gift sets. I think they're all going to be gone probably 26th, 27th, 28th, that first weekend. Lots of other things to keep an eye out for are anything with a Christmas display, something with holly, or something that looks like Christmassy. Candy canes or snowman on the packages. These toothbrushes will be probably about $15. And I know a lot of you really like to gift these, or you like to break them open and use them. These raw sugar ones will be $7.50. A lot of items we just do not get deals on. These will be $5 a pop as well. I don't know if there's any coupons in it, but super cute. This TheraBreath, see how there's a big bow on it? So this is an item, like, when's the last time we ever got a deal on this specific product? That would be never, but for $4, like, why not? $4.41. The bubbly skin stuff, know a lot of teenagers like that. Lots of deodorants too, Dove, Secret, anything with holiday stuff. Yes, keep your eyes out for those. Often the last couple years, Ibotta or Fetch or both give us some sort of rebate on this specific product, the Dove Holiday. And these soft soaps for 50 cents, which I think is definitely a stock up price, especially if you want to keep them for next year or just to use throughout the year. These 12 counts of these food storage containers, adorable. I don't think they'll be around for 75 because they're so, so cute. And stuff like diapers with the holiday theme. I mean, for $7, if you have a little one in diapers, I think that's a no-brainer. Make a budget, get a time. I would try and get out 26th, 27th, so you can score some of this stuff. I wish you guys good luck. And again, Merry Christmas. Bye, guys.